U.S. new inventory is down, but days on the market improved by 50%, while interest rates have fallen almost a whole percentage point. It's Friday, December 22nd, 2023. This is your weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. As your local real estate expert, I bring market updates every Friday so you stay in the know. Be sure to subscribe and let me know what you want to know. Buyer demand continues as inventory in Annapolis falls. The inventory fell to 128 properties for sale. 8 homes are coming soon to the market. 17 homes hit the market over the past week. 18 went under contract since last report. 9 moved to pending. 13 homes sold at 100% list to sold ratio, selling in 8 days. The highest priced home to sell over the past week was in Providence for $1,195,000. Rentals in Annapolis are at 36 for rent at a median $2,800 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 22nd, 2023. We will be closed Monday for the Christmas holiday. Here's wishing you and yours a very merry holiday. See you next week.